Hi, Paul Griffin, Gator Grooves. We're here to talk about the single stroke roll. Okay, we already talked about singles, playing them individually and then together alternating. Now we're going to talk about the first rudiment, the single stroke roll, okay, which is just right, left, or left, right. Um, okay, so the way to practice the single stroke roll at first is to use all rebounding strokes. We talked about that in the last video where we let the sticks bounce and keep loose grip. Let the sticks do all the rebounding, do all the work. So it's not bringing the stick down and lifting it up. It's bring the stick down and letting the rebound bring it up, okay? For both hands, okay? So using nice loose grip, okay? Single stroke roll is great and it's something you use so much in snare drum playing, drum set playing, and if you really work on your single stroke roll, it helps everything in your playing, uh, in your library. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start slowly, uh, right, left, and here you don't have to count. You can if you want. If you're going to keep a steady tempo, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You can set your metronome and play along with it. That's good practice. To practice at one tempo. Okay, and then say, okay, we're going to set the metronome a few beats per minute higher and go from there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all right, you can practice there for a while. Increase the tempo on your metronome and go up faster. And here's a medium tempo. Okay, and you notice as I get a little faster that there's less dwell time, so the stick doesn't come up here and have to dwell between the next stroke. Okay, now I'll choose the tempo that there's going to be a natural frequency of the stick. It's just going to go up and down with no rest time. Okay. Okay, a little faster. Okay, each time I'm letting the stick find its natural bounce point and trying to guide it at the top so it comes down in the right timing, okay? Just watch and listen. Watch your hand grip. Listen to the sticks. Are you getting even sound or are you getting that? Or are you getting even sound, all the notes, top level volume, like this? Or are you getting this? Okay, so stick heights, listen and watch. It all helps to improve your single stroke roll. Okay, practice starting with the left as well. Okay, all right, so as you get up faster, what are you going to do? Are you going to keep your stick height as high? You can try it, but it gets harder. Okay, what I want to do is make my playing as effortless as possible. So bring your sticks down as you get faster. Okay, it's finding the natural frequency that the stick will bounce. A stick is a certain mass. It's going to want to rebound and bounce and work with your hand at a certain speed, faster or easier. So as you get faster, you're fighting gravity, you're fighting forces. So you have to equal it out by bringing the stick level down and find the place where the stick naturally resonates and bounces, okay? So you can do that with singles and kind of put that into your doubles or I'm sorry, your singles as you do them with both hands. Okay, all right. So the other way to practice the single stroke roll, and this is old school, some people say don't do it, but I like it because if you can practice going slow, gradually increasing your speed to fast, and then coming back down to slow, uh, it'll give you practice at knowing when you're changing speed. Okay, so if you can recognize that you're going gradually faster, that means you can also recognize a steady tempo. So that's all our goal as musicians, is to be able to play in a steady tempo. Okay. All right, so I'm going to start, and I'm going to show you. I'll take the speed from slow, medium through to fast, to my maximum speed, which I'll try to hold for a little while, because you want to work daily and try to increase your maximum speed. Okay, speed and control. Okay, and then I'll bring it back down to a stop. Okay, here we go. Okay, now I had some faltering, definitely not perfect. I was raised as a traditional grip player, so always feel a little more comfortable doing some of my technical rudiments in traditional grip. So my match grip, I'm still working on getting my left hand to be as consistent as my right. And that's something that we all have to work on. There you go. Single stroke roll, practice it at various speeds, and also slow to fast to slow. All right, thanks for the lesson. Talk to you later.